Hello everyone, I am Ziaur Rahman and welcome back to this new AI video where we will practice how to use AI to improve your vocabulary, specifically how to use AI to learn and practice root words. Yes, root words. In the last video, we practiced how to use idioms using AI, how to learn idioms using AI, and there was a huge demand, 42 views total on that video. So I think now it's time to serve the next demand, and that is how to use AI and how to practice root words using AI. That's what we are practicing today, and there is no plan for this video. I just have a prompt ready with me. Hello Gemini, I want to learn root words. Explain me what they are, how they work, and give me real life examples. Also explain how one root can make multiple root words. Give me simple easy to follow explanation. I am new to AI. इसी तरह का prompt आप भी लिख सकते हो अपने AI bot को, and then you will suddenly see the explanation and everything. What is a root word? A root word is the absolute core of a word. It contains the main meaning and it cannot be broken down into any smaller words. So that is the base form of the word. Think of a root word like a foundation of a house, the root of a tree. Of course, that's why it's called a root word. You see, everything else is built on top of this. So many English roots come from ancient languages like Latin and Greek. कई बार हम सुनते हैं ना कि ये वर्ड लैटिन से आया, ये वर्ड ग्रीक से आया, यहाँ से आया. All those things are root के ऊपर words नए बनते हैं. And how they work? They have two things, prefix and suffix. शायद आपने ये स्कूल कॉलेज में कभी पढ़ा होगा, बट इतना प्रैक्टिकली नहीं पढ़ा होगा. आई फील दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ways to practice words and vocabulary. So learn prefixes and suffixes. Now here are some real life examples. For example, export. यहाँ पे पोर्ट वर्ड जो है लैटिन लैंग्वेज से आता है. पोर्ट मीन्स टू कैरी समथिंग. नाउ लुक हाउ इजीली वी बिल्ड रियल लाइफ वर्ड्स बाय एडिंग एक्सपोर्ट. यानी see, x is equal to out, port is equal to carry. To carry goods out of a country is export. Import, im means in, port means to carry. To carry goods into a country is called import. Transport, trans is equal to across, port is carrying something across a distance, that's transport. Portable is something that is easily carryable. My laptop is portable, my power bank is portable. So you see, एक पोर्ट वर्ड अगर आपको मीनिंग उसका पता है, एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट नो पोर्टेबल वर्ड फॉर एग्जांपल, यू वुड बी एबल टू गेस एटलीस्ट कि ये किसी न किसी तरह से कैरी से रिलेटेड है. दैट्स वाई रूट वर्ड्स आर सो अमेजिंग. नाउ यू सी हाउ वन रूट मेक्स मल्टीपल वर्ड्स. बायोलॉजी, यू सी, बायो मीन्स लाइफ, ओलॉजी इज स्टडी ऑफ समथिंग. सो बायोलॉजी में स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ. बायोग्राफी में लाइफ, बायो मीन्स लाइफ, ग्राफ मीन्स राइटिंग. So biography, that's why you have autograph also, writing. Then antibiotic, इसमें भी bio आ रहा है बीच, against life. Antibiotic जो हमें डॉक्टर्स देते हैं. So you see, anti against bio, life, antibiotic. Biosphere is life का जो circle है, circle of life. So you see, if you know the root word bio, you will be able to make sense of a lot of words. Even if you have not heard them before, you can make a guess at least. So instead of memorizing 10,000 individual English words, you can learn a few dozen common root words. Let me ask, give me one common root and show me word examples. And you will be surprised to know there are many common words that we are using in day-to-day life that have root in the past. Attract, tract word family, attract, subtract, distract, ये सब में tract आ रहा है. Now how? The root tract comes from Latin. It means to pull or drag. खींचना, tract. Okay, now attract, pulling again toward. Subtract, pulling something away. Literal meaning to pull something away from a total. That's how you subtract. If you subtract 5 from 10, you are pulling 5 away. You see, this is a fantastic way to learn vocabulary for me personally. Dictionary reading and all is so boring because it doesn't make sense. You don't know where it will be used. You don't know how to remember it. But if you are using these word stories and all, you will be able to remember them for long. Your mind will just absorb those stories, and it will be so fun to teach younger generation tomorrow. Or if you are a parent, you can teach your children how to learn these root words, because they will stay with them forever and they will give the foundation with which they can make new words, learn new words. You see, subtract हो गया, distract, apart, away. Tract is pulling something apart or away. Extract, pulling something out. So extracting oil. Tractor is again pulling a machine. So tractor is again a pulling machine. It may not have accurate root meaning, so you cannot argue, but the idea is, if you know the root word, you will be able to easily guess the meanings of those words. Okay, let me ask one more root. Let's see what other word we get. Let's look at the in another incredibly common root, that is spec, sometimes written as spect. Spec या spect word family. Now this root is also from Latin. This means to look or see. Spect, spectator, देखने वाला. अगर आप मुंबई इंडियंस का मैच देख रहे हो वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में बैठ के, you are a spectator. So you literally a person who watches. Spect means देखना होता है. Spectator is the person who watches. Inspect, looking into something. Police is or police are inspecting the case. Inspect करना, देखना, look closely into something. Again inspect. Spectacles, again related to watching. You see, acles means tools or device. Spect means to see. The device is used to help you see. Spectacle. So you see, अभी भी वही spect root चल रहा है हर जगह, और जो कि देखने से related है. Retrospect, past में जाके देखना और कि क्या गलती की, और retrospect. So again, you see, it may not be as close as spectacles, but retrospect also has this thing. Retro मतलब पुराना, past, you know this retro style, retro design, and spect मतलब उसको देखना. तो going back, I'm retrospecting what I did in 10 years. That. Suspect is secretly, this is under secretly, and spect is look at someone with mistrust, or look under the surface. You suspect somebody. People are suspecting AI, but it will be so fantastic if you start using it today. You see, again, in the last video I told you I'm not your idiom teacher. In this video also I'll tell you I'm not your vocabulary teacher. I am here to tell you the possibility. This possibility did not exist before. You see, earlier what was possible? You had books, you had dictionaries, you had limited resources and teachers and people. Today AI can make unlimited explanations and examples, and as of now it's free. This is Gemini I'm using. You see here they are asking me to upgrade, but on the free plan also I'm getting all these things. I can ask Gemini or any AI tool to create any number of example that a human teacher may not be able to create or may not be interested in create. I can ask, can you give me list of all possible roots in a roots with meaning in a table, and you will see that Gemini will give a list with table. I can tell you, I can assure you this. You see, here is the list: root, origin, meaning, example word, meaning breakdown. What else do you want? This was not possible, dude. This was no way possible before AI era. That's why I'm so excited and passionate, because this kind of learning, this kind of access is impossible to believe. You see, chron, time, chronological, synchronize, chronology समझिए, वो भी time से related ही है. DICT, dict is predict, dictate. इसमें अगर हमने अभी देखा, to say something. You see, shape, reform, form is that, shape. Geo is geography, geology. You see, graph is to write. Greek में writing को graph बोलते हैं. Autograph, graphic, graphology जिसमें आपके handwriting study की जाती है. So there are many such common interesting root words. I encourage you to go to AI, use one root word, ask AI, give me one root word and common words in Indian English. Give me one root word and its story. Tell me how one root word made so many words. Start playing around. I'm not saying there is one way. There must be many possible ways. I'm saying you go to your own AI and spend some time to improve your vocabulary, spend some time to practice. And ultimately, what's important is you have to use these words in real life. So that's what you need to do ultimately. Again, you can ask AI, give me a plan to use some new root words in my conversations every day, and AI will give you a step-by-step plan which you can follow. Again, ultimately you will have to follow it, but इतना सारा चीज़ें आपको करके मिल रहा है. Day 1 the root is DICT, dict, to speak or say. इसमें आप हर जगह उस तरह के वर्ड्स यूज़ करोगे. Predict, contradict, dictate. Then you have struct. So day 1, day 2, day 3, you feel like this is boring, you can ask, make it interesting. You can ask, change the words. You can ask, change the days. Customization is super easy today, and that's what makes it magical. Learning so many things around English without so many books and availability of schools and teachers. So if you are in a remote location, if you are not able to afford classes and sessions, if you are finding books very boring, I think you should interact with AI, and this is just the beginning. I can assure you this is just the beginning. It will keep upgrading. Google will do a lot of things. Google is already doing a lot of things that will come into your browser and maps and everything. AI is just the beginning. It will be so fantastic for your education and practice. So I encourage you to utilize it fully. And thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff. My name is Ziaur Rahman. I'm an author. I have written a book about how to become a confident, fluent, independent speaker, confluent speaker. It's available on Amazon, it's available on Flipkart. You can check out my website www.authorzia.com to get to know more about how AI is changing communication and how specifically you can use AI to practice speaking, practice language and communication, and become more fluent and more independent. So do check out my website and Instagram, AuthorZia, and me keep following us on YouTube also so that you don't miss any update. This is the usual drill. Thank you for watching. See you soon.